everybody? Today we're going to go on a bike ride down by the bike trail, so let's go. I'm going to get my helmet on first. Put that on me. I got to set you down for a sec. There you go. This on me. Crap. There we go. Haul this back out of here, this beautiful back. The kickstand won't go up. That's one thing I don't like about this bike. There we go. Got it. Got him. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's get out of here. There's a lot of gravel and bumps on the first block. Oh, we're almost gone from that. There's a daycare right here. And yeah, still more bumps and gravel. I'm just gonna give you a bunch of commentary as I go. No more bumps. Might be some more bumps, but no more gravel. My brakes are awful. They squeak too much. Today I have a dentist appointment. 11 o'clock. So I have to get home by 11. But it's almost my birthday, September 23rd. My aunt is giving me a Kevin Durant jersey, OKC jersey. I already saw it, it's pretty cool. There's a motel. Loud Trucks Motel. Oh, bump. Another bump. I'll just show you this stuff. I wish I had time lapse on this thing, but I don't. That kind of sucks. Okay, right now I'm telling you there will be more action once we get to the bike trail. We gotta stop at the road. More of my brakes. Rest my legs for a second. And I'm telling you, this is kind of a long bike ride. We're almost there, people. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay, we're at the road. Time to cross the road. And just saying, today is not a very action-packed vlog, but just nothing really going on today. Gotta press the button. Still waiting for the road. Semis. A lot of semis. All the cars going by. I can go. This way is very fast. It's a fast road. Doing some construction over there. We're at the trail now. Now we gotta go across the bridge. It may take like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. You can skip up the video if you want. This might take a little bit. Bumps, more bumps. Oh, and again, this channel is called Braylon Studios. Like, subscribe, do anything you want, really. Except hack me, don't hack me. And just have a positive day today. Don't have any sadness or madness. Just be positive and smile. I don't know why, but I just kind of want to go to the park for a little bit. There's a climbing thing there or something. It's right over there, if you see it or not. Still riding my bike, but I have to go slower on this. Seagulls and gooses and geese, a baby seagull. Hello. gooses and geeses and that one seagull right there. They don't like me very much. Except when I give them bread. They like me when I give them bread. We're at the park. I'm gonna climb on this thing. Right there. I'm kind of an accident prone. So if I drop you, don't worry. I have a case around it. Okay, I'm going up. Climbing. It's kind of hard to do with one hand though. But I can do it. Oh no. Gotta get up here. Up. We're at the top. Look down. We're at the top. It's not very high, but whatever. Gotta go. Oh. Sorry. I dropped you. Coming down. Don't worry. Coming down as quick as I can. Oh no. Hi. I got you. Don't worry. But this kind of concludes our video because I have a crack in my screen, my lens. So, bye. Have a good day. And remember, be positive.